everybody, welcome back to another stream. And in this stream we are going to trace out Vulkan's basic program, which is to try to render a triangle. And here is the example for it. I'm trying to follow through the example and try to build out what exactly it is meant to build. I'm really bad at explaining stuff, but yeah, you get the gist of it. So I'm trying to render a triangle, and it is not that easy. And we are using Volcano, which is a Rust API for Vulkan. What I'm trying to do is I'm creating an event loop here, and I'm passing the event loop into a new default function which is implemented in app, and I'm trying to use Vulkan library required extensions, and I'm trying to create the event running. And the major part of running something in Vulkan is creating the pipeline, according to my understanding till now. So I'm trying not to go too deep in this thing. I'm just trying to wing it so that I can get some positive results, and after that I'll have something or some place to work on it. So hope you can understand it. Yeah, the agenda of this particular episode is to make sure that I can render a triangle, or at least get near towards that. So printing something on the screen would be a win. Awesome. Hope I could get the point out to you guys. Yep. I would seriously appreciate people commenting down so that I know if these things are working for you guys, or am I rattling bullshit. Just putting out there. Awesome. Yeah, I created an instance and I created a device extension. Where is this instance? Device extension. And where am I gonna use this? Good question. I guess here's a place for it. I'm a bit curious about this. At a certain point I want to create this repo in such a way that I can split the pieces out. Properly format the code so that whoever comes next can understand it. They kind of added everything in one file called main.rs, so I want to divide that in future if I can get better at Rust, that is. Hope you people understand. Awesome. Device extension is empty, and it is not causing any major errors as of now. And yep, this was supposed to be down so that more readable. Okay, let physical device, and where is physical device in this context? Where are you? Okay, is this me saying that okay, I'm creating a variable which has physical and put in, what do you call this kind of things? Tuple? I guess so. Okay. We have to choose the physical device to use first. We enumerate all the available physical devices, then apply the filter to narrow down them to those that can support our needs. Yeah, episode 2 ends here. Okay. I'm good at marking things out. Okay. Enumerate physical devices. What does it return? The iterator that enumerates the physical devices available. Iterator that enumerates. Okay. Okay. Under filter p, and p dot supports extension contains device extension. Device extension. Awesome. We are heading in a positive direction today. I don't know why. Usually I get stuck around some point and I'll start to scratch my head, but yeah, let's see. So after this, some devices may not support the extension of feature that your application or reporter properties limit that are not sufficient for your application. These should be filtered out here. Okay. After the second filter, for each physical device we try to find a suitable queue family that will execute our draw commands. Okay. Device can provide multiple queues to run commands in parallel. For example, a draw queue can compute Okay, draw queue and a compute queue. Similarly to CPU thread, there is something that something you have to manage manually in Vulkan. Queues of the same type belong to the same queue family. Okay. Here we look for a single queue family that is suitable for our purpose. In a real world application, you may want to use a separate dedicated transfer queue to handle a data transfer in parallelly with graphics operations. You may also need to separate queues from compute operations. In your application, use those. If your application uses those, okay. Okay, that's a whole lot of information to process for me, but it's fine. Okay. P.Q family operates iterator, enumerator, position, IQ. Okay. Q family properties. Iterate over it, create an enumerator out of it, position, IQ. Okay. We select a queue family that supports the graphic operation when drawing to a window surface, as we do in the example. We also need to check the queue in this family are capable of presenting images to the surface. Okay, I'm telling queue flags intersects queue flags, and graphics is the type that I'm pushing it. Queue of this family can execute graphic operations. Ooh, fancy. And p.presentation underscore supports is I as unsigned integer 32, and the event loop is passed down to it. Okay, I'm going down the line. It's like a rabbit hole down. Okay, the code here searches for the first queue family that is suitable. If none is found, none is returned to filter map, which disqualifies the physical device. Okay, psych. Okay, we are trying to find a compatible graphics queue according to this explanation, and if I start to build something which is of my own, I should probably handle that manually, but for the sake of the example, they gave it in this way. Good. Okay, I mean, we are up to a decent start. We are trying to understand shit, and we are getting shit done. Now this is what pisses me off. All the effort in the world, you can't bloody stream. I don't think I'm pressuring this thing more than it can. I mean, yep, shoot it out. No extra things used. What is eating more? Task manager 25 memory. Okay. GPU 73%, 53 degrees Celsius. Radon is like 55 degrees Celsius. Memory 76%. Yeah, it is shouting alright, but I don't think that's a problem. And bandwidth is good. It's not bad, it's good. I mean, okay, let's see. Okay, where it is saying the code here searches for the first queue family that is suitable. If none is found, none is returned. So if I can log the type of queue that I am getting here, that will be my checkpoint. So like I need a smaller checkpoint so that I can understand how the actual triangle is being rendered. So in order to do that, the best way for me to move forward with this problem is by having a smaller checkpoint so that I can understand the code. The agenda of this entire episode is not to create something new, it's to understand what already exists. So if you can get the start right, you can get the entire problem right. That's according to my understanding. So unless I understand every single line of code, I'm not going forward. Are we on board? Okay. Mm. Mm. All the physical are above suitable for application. However, not every device is equal. Some are preferred over others. Now, we assign each physical device a score and pick the devices with the lowest, best score. In this example, we simply select the best scoring device to use in the application. In the real world settings, you may want to use the best scoring device only as a default or recommended device. Let the user choose the device themselves. Okay, we assign a lower score to the device types that are likely to be faster and better. Ooh, so I get what? Discrete GPU is 0, physical device integrated GPU is 1, virtual GPU is 2, and CPU is 3, and others is 4. Others is 4, and nothing is 5. Expected not suitable physical device for now. Okay, this is something which will physical device and Q family index will be returned to me. So let device and Q family index equals to instance dot physical device and unwrap it and filter on P, which is nothing but what am I trying to enclose here? Awesome. Okay, filter and P dot supported extensions dot contains what? A reference to device extensions. Okay, I am using them. Yo, device extensions is being called, so I hope mismatch type extensions. Why? I don't think I mismatched it. Instance. Okay, wait. So sometimes I seriously don't feel like streaming because of this bloody damn PC being the slowest one available in market. I mean, it was supposed to take the load well. What is the problem? So will you cry now, you piece of shit? Okay, got it. Fuck the music. Fuck the music. Fuck the goddamn music. I never knew this was too intensive for this thing. Sorry. I mean, just a terminal being projected is too heavy for you. You're lame. Task manager. You're supposed to say if state is breaking out, and I don't see any particular. What is Razer engine doing here, ma? Background shit. Yeah. Wait a minute. Uh, Network better not be metered. That would piss me off. Okay. Okay. Check. Yeah, unmetered connection met. What made my network metered? My leg hurts so bad. 106 kbps. Okay, this is the second frame drop for me today, especially. Oh, so are we doing fine now? Are we doing fine now? Hopefully, like yeah. I mean, some message in chat would help. Like how, like I don't know how disconnected my connection is right now. I'm just trying to figure out if I'm, you know, uh, what is making this error? Mismatch type expected structure. Okay, I don't know what the error means. So let's try to be, okay, okay. Instance lib instance dot create info, and I'm setting up a flag saying that enumerated probability and required extension and default, and that is unwrapped. I see no problem here. Quite clean too. And yep. Let me check if the error is still persisting here. Like I want to get context on the error, why it is happening, how it is happening, and why would help. Why is the main agenda? Okay, what is the problem now? Mismatch type. This expression as okay. Expected opaque type is okay. Is the type type the problem? New library create instance info, and that shouldn't actually cause a problem. Device extension. Hey, 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 hey. This is true. Okay, let's just say instance dot enumerate physical devices dot unwrap. Let will this be a point of concern? Try to compile it now. Will this cause something that I don't know? No, it's working fine. I gotta get my LSP up to the pace, mate. I don't know, Rust is weird or it's just acting funny on me. So, wait, huh? So, I kind of unwrapped it. And I want to set up a filter right now, saying that, filter this. And I don't know what this R stands for, but that's something that is scary for you. P dot. Hmm. Hmm. After unwrap, I'm filtering it out. Okay, I'm filtering it out. I'm saying P dot dot contains merchant device extensions. Okay, mismatch type pool found. Hmm. Oh, is it that like? Ooh. I'm expecting something here for that. It's acting out weird. We could have, got the entire function down the line and then break it. Okay, let's go get the entire function down. Let's see if this thing causes any error, which I'm not sure about, huh? Sweet. Okay, now shoot, baby. Check this thing for me. Ooh, okay, these doesn't exist. Shoot out flag. Okay, code actions not available. Nah, bruh. Okay, just let me see if the queue flags. Queue flags. Okay, it's from a header file called inside device. I mean inside Vulkan. You import a device. Queue. If there are frame drops, please let me know. Hmm. With make you experience a lag and rest there. Mm. Mm-hmm. Not the cause, not the cause. I'll remove the unnecessary noise. Ooh, my baby. Device extensions. Oh, the LSP speed is so goddamn slow. I mean, the time it takes for my LSP to catch up to the actual code is so jittery. I'm actually planning to switch back to Linux, mate. I'm actually planning to. It's quite resource intensive. And writing Vulkan in this thing is too difficult. Q flag. Code action, Nilla. Why is code action not there? Okay. Sorry. Yeah, Q flag. Device. Okay. Okay. Device. Inside what? Inside device and Q. I need Q flag. Q flags. Okay. Okay. And now I need P dot presentation support. Okay. Did not find anything like this. P not presentation support. Sorry. Present. Sorry. Okay. Presentation support. Yeah, even this is not getting where it is from. Hmm. Yeah, if the stream crashes one more time, I'm going to sleep. Like that is pissing me off. I have this many errors to fix, and that nonsense is something that I don't want to care about it. Okay. This rendering is quite resource intensive, if I'm not wrong. Video capture device. This shit is kind of intensive towards the end. Deactivate when not showing. Okay. I guess encoding this thing is causing my PC to overboard. Uh, I mean, I can search it here. Will using a webcam uh make my stream laggy? Hmm. If your bandwidth is too low, your video game may might freeze or pixelate. To avoid this, make sure you have reliable and fast internet and use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi. Why is a webcam? Okay. It's possible include the slow internet, poor internet, poor lighting, or incorrect resolution. Test your internet speed correction to ensure that it runs on 128 Mbps or faster. Okay. On OBS. Okay. No, I always have a stat on my screen. However, something happens. I'm not too sure, but I'm not. It's not working at least. Okay. Yep. Potentially USB bandwidth if you got too many devices transmitting too much data. Too many devices transmitting too much data through a USB host controller. It could slow down your webcam or stop your webcam. Unplug some devices or switch between front and back of a PC to see if you can. Okay. Somehow it's just started working. Not sure what I did, but it worked like a normal. I think I have too many USBs going around. Even that's a fact. I mean, I have one for my keyboard, one for my mouse, one for my mic, one for my webcam. That makes it four, and also my headphones that is running on it. It's too resource intensive, 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 motherfucker. Okay, double check the shutter speed. Okay, some cameras. Okay, double check if you don't have application trying to control the camera at the same time. For example, if you have OBS, then you have Logitech G loading for the camera as well. Logitech wins, which will make debugging. Okay, Razer. Uninstall. Uninstall Razer. Yes. Get out of the thing, bitch. I guess that should take some heat out of it. Task manager. Ooh, baby. Okay. OBS is taking something. Setup application 32-bit because I'm trying to uninstall it. What the hell is that? Anti malware service executable. Who are you? Wow, I'm access denied to my own PC. That's why I hate Windows. Okay, desktop window manager, Firefox, WSL is kind of, an ass with resources. So find Discord. I'll probably kick Discord out. Discord and task. End the task, ma. I said end. End, bitch. Ooh. 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 Stream end task. Awesome. Hopefully. Ooh, I have some shit running in my PC. Something that is making too many USB. I mean, load on computer performance. Yes or no from start USB is a serial protocol where data is sent packets on. Only 7 TOS, 20 US, many USB. Okay. So adding another hub increases the tier count. Also, maximal number of clients devices. Okay. Limitation master hub away. Mm-hmm. Yes, adding USB device takes time slots that lower speeds, which is important for bulk devices. Okay, adding a USB device is slow a computer depending on the device. Adding mouse or keyboard is not going to slow. Adding a movie from it slows the computer. Okay, hard drive. I'm using a goddamn webcam and mic, so no quits on that. Mm-hmm. USB stick supports ready. Most of the ready boost works as RAM. Yes, it does, but the result is not satisfactory. RAM data transfer rate is 20 GB per sec. Mm. Plug in new ASP devices into the PC now, man. Laptop, okay. I have a gaming PC and have a lot of USB products plugged into it, and I have 5 plugged into a old USB hub, one plugged into another laptop USB. One out of the 6 items have their own power source. I have noticed if I'm using it for a long time, power kind of dips out for a second. Am I drawing too much power? Okay. It really depends on what you're connecting. If it's a USB 2 or USB 3, you could get a power USB hub. Okay. I have a keyboard, mouse, speaker, base station, headset, gaming mouse, mat, and a ooh, power issue aside, a single USB port can handle up to 127 DC chained and throw USB hub 128 but itself counts as one. Get a normal robust power USB hub, that would be my recommend. Otherwise, USB port generally will only output 50 okay MA on average. How good are you, Google? Powered USB hub. I guess that should solve my problem, but not in the budget right now. Let's see. Sometimes. Dependent external power supply that ensures that ensures your device runs on the need for uninterrupted operations that in USB 3.1 super speed port support. You're worth 5k, I mean 6k, and you're fucking kidding me, right? Come on, dude, like 5k. I mean, this is reasonable, but it's too expensive for me to. I mean, am I getting here? Hmm. I have to plug something in and I have to plug something in again. Okay, I guess that is more reasonable, but I'm asking too much from my power source too. It's like basically running a bloody damn server in my home. Not an exact fully fledged server, but you get the idea. Schmuck. Hmm. Yeah, it's been some time and it is not dipping, so I hopefully it's doing fine. Yeah, let's see why this is my pain. No method present. Support found for structure. Arc physical device. Physical device. Enumerate physical device. Hmm. Okay. And what am I trying to set? Okay, there you are. Okay, pub unsafe and window must be valid. QNX screen. Okay. So what am I trying to get out of this? Ooh, that is private. I can just do this and get git files. Nice. Yeah. I mean, I know that command, but I sometimes forget about it. आदमी चूतिया है. Naguma Naguma Turiya Teparu. Pub properties supported, feature supported, presentation support. Okay, wait. That is the public function. Okay, wait. So I'll just go check if the thing is not present there. I mean, get out of this thing. Get out. Get out. Okay. Yeah. Inside what? Physical devices. Where am I getting the physical devices? Instances. Okay. Pum. No. Volcano. Yes. What is this thing inside instance? It's instance dot enumerate physical devices. HYSICL. Okay. Then returns the physical device that is displayed belonging. What? Okay. Presentation support. Presentation support. Windows queries that will whether device supports. Okay. I guess 0.34.1 doesn't offer that. Name parameters. Presentation and presentation clone. Hello. We were heading with this to a YouTube video. Well, let's see what fun thing do I have. Wow, that's my YouTube for you. Not interested. You get too many shots, man. Hmm. Docker namespace. LXC is the term that I heard recently. I'm interested in that, but not now. Snacks.nvim blink.cmp integrated snack.nvim blink.cmp with neovim snacks.neovim. Too many flows to count. Ooh, T-Bobby. I feel a little bit unmotivated about this, but let's get motivated somehow, right? It somehow get better at this shit. What do you say, bruh? Yeah, we get better at this shit. We get better at this shit. We understand this shit. We try to get better at this shit. I don't know. Presentation support. You know, kind of saying physical device. Where is instance here? Enumerate probability required extensions. Yes. And after that, I'm saying instance.enumerate. Instance is nothing but instance.new.library. Enumerate portability. Yeah, I'm passing this thing in. Wait. So if I let's just say I'll play with this thing a bit more. Okay. Let d equals to instance dot enumerate physical devices dot uh, unwrap. Okay. Wrap dot filter. What are the value I'm getting? Okay. Just saying b dot supported extensions. I mean, unsafe match clone. I mean, print um v dot um supported extensions. What is the return type of supported extensions? Device extensions. Device extensions. What is it? What the hell? Okay, dogma will return something. Let's see if I can stringify that thing. That's fine. Or else I don't think I'm causing any errors here. So probably okay. Mismatch type expected bool found. Found what the fuck did you found? Where the hell does it say it returns? Hmm, expects pool. Never said that. Okay, you're being too slow, LSP. Uh, D equals to instance dot enumerate physical device and unwrap print T. Hopefully this should uh, give me something. Okay, cannot format using okay because it doesn't implement debug. But I need a physical device that. Mm, what am I getting? I'm getting extract size iterator item equals to arc dot physical device. Hmm. API version data queried for physical device creation. Version is like should be a string hopefully. I mean, oh, okay. Let's try to pull version out of this thing. Yeah, filter support extension and device extension. So presentation support. Do you contain API version? Q dot P dot API version println uh, hmm. Mismatch type X. That should sum the thing up. Q family properties API. I don't think Q family properties is anywhere involved in it. Where are you? Where are you? What am I looking at? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? I'm trying to get the API version down, and if I read through the documentation, no, that's not in this. So if I go here, support extensions, not support extension, the result of this physical device, and it returns a physical device arc type, and it has version. So after extracting the physical type, what am I doing? Physical device. I'm extracting the physical device. Where the fuck is it? Pakistan? No, bruh, like I'm from India. Umpala. Which angle do I look Pakistani, brother? But yeah, like, no offense taken, but yeah, Indian. If you're first time to the chat, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you're someone who uses Rust, really proud of you. Cheers. I mean, I don't remember anyone coming to my stream called Umpala. Weird name though. Where are you from? I'm not quite getting where the API version is coming from. Like, am I fucking this thing up? So, whatever I get from this, like, I'm pretty sure I'm not getting physical device here. So wait, let's just say let API version equals to, I'll just say instance dot, come on, next line, enumerate physical devices dot unwrap dot filter. I mean, whatever the return type of this is. Okay, return is of type arc. Okay, still waiting for your reply, man. Where are you from? Whatever I'm getting from here, I should just probably, so wait, I should get something of type um I should get the results which say extract a size enumerator. It might be an error too, so it's like physical device. So wait, I mean, let's just say uh okay, and I'll just say physical device dot uh filter. I don't know, filter would be last count cycle next. Okay, wait, let's just say filter I. But does arrow functions exist in Rust? I don't think so. I just have to strong arm this thing. I dot. My good brother. I mean, yeah, sure. Hmm. Wow. Expected field number. Okay. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. I'll just say uh, I dot API version is a method, and should I return this? Will returning help? And if I say print uh, I can just say physical device. Expected bool found version is top type version, and in version I find version is a structure which will implement the fuck is this complication ma. Version major min patch. Okay, man, it's a function, all right. Okay, does that. Okay, found version. Where did I expect? Where did I expect boolean here? Can't I just dot type id clamp borrow clone major? Okay, major. Okay, major is u32. Sweet. Expected bool found. I mean, print the goddamn thing here. I'm fine. I'll just say I'm not expecting shit from you. I'll just say print this shit. Print ln. Okay. What filter? Mm, I never expected a type here. Is it fine now? I mean, I'm not that experienced in Rust, so. Type mismatch, ma. Mm, how does filters works? Okay, it's an iterator. Debug, or let's just say filter, filter. I get what? Mm, fil- okay, filter iterator to return. Okay, I mean, I wanna iterate. Map dot collect. Hmm. My good man. Okay. Hmm. I wanna filter something. What if I say hmm map Hmm. Expected one of the following. Okay. Syntax error. Hmm. Unclose the delimiter. Hmm. Okay. Syntax error expected. Curly. Okay. So if I try to print, I should probably get this. Shall we? Error. Okay. Cannot use because it doesn't implement debug. But I don't need debug. I need, what the hell, man? Okay, public function which returns major, major, major. So I'm creating a structure which is okay. Mass function which will return version, which will probably. I'm looking at a loop version of my own as right. I need U32 from here. Will do anything. When they have test for every damn thing, which I should probably have. I mean, more could I do? Uh, do you think I should stream in Hindi? I mean, that is more comfortable because I can curse more. I have certain linguistic skills in Hindi that I really love when I explain stories. So I love telling stories in Hindi too. Why don't I do that? Hmm. Is there anyone? Hmm. No fix for Vulkan options in RPC. Simpleton. Oh, people are ass. Real asses. Nice. I mean, I don't want to, I mean, take advantage of a language where the audience are too not good enough to understand what I'm saying. Not, forgive me for like conveying it in a wrong way. I'm not saying you're dumb. I don't think most of the people in India are interested in this kind of stuff. I mean, they are better at getting jobs and they're better at keeping jobs. They are better at changing jobs. I mean, I found really few people in in my community, around my circle, who are really interested in what I do. So that's why I stream in English, so that I can find a better audience, so that you know it's helpful. End of the day, should be helpful. That's the reason for the existence. Okay. So with I'm getting filter my P. Okay, I'm filtering P. If I get this, I'll unwrap it and memory allocator. Cool. Which line am I? Like, probably 700 lines down. Gonna be a long ride. If I take out the comments, how big is this thing? Ah, check. Okay. Pipeline for graphics, color binding, input assembly, multiple samples. Rest. Is there any resource available for this thing where I can just see an working code and try to trace the entire thing out? Because bit by bit it'll take too much time for me. Uh, volcano. Not Vulcan, it's volcano. Rust. Rust volcano. Yeah, baby boy. Okay, which is good. The Vulkan instance creation is now complete. I created an instance based on the information from the event loop. I want to see the end product once. Okay. Uh, you know, Volcano GitHub. Go here. Examples. I'm not even kidding. Like, if I can get the config right. Okay. How old is this article, by the way? Updated 2023. So should be a. And my fuzzy finder is slow. Nice, man. Nice. Wait. When it is in 2.8, it's fine. And Vulkan is in 4.3.0. Yep. Okay. Now try to you know get the entire thing down. I mean, before that, let me commit this thing at least. Uh, Zero progress commit. Yes. Push to origin. Yep. Okay. Let's see if this can render something. I know it will break at certain point, but hopefully, if the guy is giving me correct versions, I thought I traced the entire thing down. Mm, Custom builder command. How big is the article, mate? Main.rs. Ooh, the cry. I see my laptop cry like a bitch. Mm, what's wrong with you? I don't think it's the bandwidth in any way. I don't know. Fuck you, I'm not in the headspace to care about this thing right now. Okay, what is wrong with you? Let's see. Why are you bloody crying? I guess my laptop can't take GPU intensive shit. The only time this thing freaks out is whenever I use this kind of thing. Hmm. Yeah, it's 450 lines, but it's still the same thing. Did this guy break something for me? Okay. What expected, ma? Write some items during the loop. Next to what is the process? For detailed explanation for each term. Physical divide selection. I am kind of stuck in that process right now. Vulkan tutorial unwrap event loop instance surface windows device extension empty. I know. After that, this thing starts to fuck with me. Surface match by properties device. Is there any surface support? This doesn't exist. That's the problem. Hi. Vito. ఇవాళ రెక్కలొచ్చినట్టు పుంతగా. That I gotta end it today. Like pissing my PC up for some weird reason. Hopefully, I can continue doing Vulkan because like I can make my laptop cry, but I can't see the stream jitter this much. So yeah, hopefully you guys find it fun. Next stream, we find a better progress for that thing. Like right now, we are stuck at this point where surface support should be available, and for some reason, it's not. Okay. Yeah, this is something I have to care about. So stuck is the end statement for this particular episode. So screw. And yeah, hopefully we'll make some better progress next time, and hopefully I can code in like work on Vulkan for next week, because apparently, as far as I see, it's making my laptop cry really bad. So peace out.